Hi everyone, welcome back to the Preschool Art Expert. Today I have a really fun project that you and your 2-year-old can do together. We are going to be making snow cream, which is very similar to ice cream, and it's really fun to make. So the first thing that you're going to need is some snow, and then you will need some sugar, some milk, and you can use any kind of milk, cow's milk, soy milk, almond milk, whatever milk you choose, and some vanilla extract. So the first thing that you're going to do is sprinkle some sugar over your snow. I like it nice and sweet, so I like a lot of sugar on mine. And you'll kind of mix that up a little bit. I don't really measure, I just go by sight and taste. Once you have your sugar in there, you can pour a little bit of your milk in. This makes the texture creamy. Okay, we're going to put a little more milk in there. And stir that up. This looks more like what we want. It's almost somewhere between a slushie and ice cream. Next, we'll put a little bit of our vanilla extract in there. And again, I don't really measure, but you don't want to put too much. I'm guessing for this amount, maybe half a teaspoon. And stir that up. And you can always add more if you need more. All right, let's take a little taste and see how that does. This is a really nice treat. Maybe just a little more sugar for you and your 2-year-old. And if any of you are lactose intolerant, and you can use the snow and a soy milk or an almond milk, and you don't have to worry about the lactose. Put it into a little serving bowl. You have a nice little treat. Thanks for watching today. Subscribe and like this channel and leave your comments. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.